So, there's a lot of associations, a lot of different things that support lighthouses. Yes. Maybe we should look at exactly the givers that support them. Yeah. I'd actually like to just have ownership of them, fix them up, give them to certain individuals that give me children for 20 days a month. Yeah. But this one, Duluth Lighthouse, is added to registry. Yes. Could you give me all the National Registry of Historical Places? Now, when you think about actual ownership in the hair of those that have ownership of the historical places, because there's a huge tax advantage for renovating any sort of historical place. It's approximately 75,000 locations throughout this nation have some tax advantages. Yes. Give me the last 250 years of actual ownership of all the historical places. 20 miles down, any tickets that have been sold to them, and any money raised to support them. And all of those that have contributed because of the actual value of the. It's a registry, is that what it is? Yeah. Now, they replace this with LED lanterns. Oh, the two fifth order lenses might have belonged to a local museum. Now, we're going LED. You know, I did some research. Well, thank you for that memory. It's so good of you to have knowledge of what I was thinking. You know, I. um, could you look at the actual light being used in lighthouses? Yes. Now there's what's known as the light emitting devices, the LED. Yes. Is that what they're putting in there? A light emitting diode? Usually made from gallium arsenide, which is another type of semiconductor material. Yes. Light energy called a photon releases a tiny energy. The p-n junction of these free electrons and holes can combine to release a tiny packet of light energy called a photon. With a strong enough current, the junction area glows brightly. They don't have some sort of light energy in lighthouses that have photons in them. And thinking if I was to inundate the actual internet, the internet with photons is, let's say I had a big LED lighthouse connected to a large router. And I was like 10 bajillion, I mean, an astronomical amount of photons was going in there. And my hair was conducted to that light so that I could see web pages that you cannot see. Yes! Can you tell me the. What are you talking about?